Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Slack shortcut on desktop. Now, at first, what you have to do is either download the app and you'll have a shortcut on your desktop, or just go to your browser, go to Google and search for Slack. Then just go to slack.com. And after that, just launch any of the workspaces if you want to. Just wait for it to load. You might need to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it some time. It will load the entire workspace for you. And after it does that, you have to click on the three dot icon in your browser. And after that, you have to click on More Tools. Then just go to Apps. Then click on Install this site as an app. Then just give it a name. I'll give it Slack and the workspace name. And click on Install. Then just give it some time. And there you go. It has been created. From here, I'll just unpin all of this and just check create a desktop shortcut and click on allow. Now, if I close all this and go to desktop, I'll see a desktop shortcut for Slack. If I click on this, it will open up again. And there you go. And basically, that is how to create a desktop shortcut for Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.